Hi, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be talking about Forex Trading Education. You know, whether you even need to pay for any Forex Trading Education. I'm going to tell you my story, which is considered a sad story. I did lose £30,000, which is $40,000 on paying for education, on paying for Forex education, which I don't know if you can call it a loss, because it kind of led me to where I am here now and led me to finding the group that is actually helped me to become a successful trader. So maybe everything for a reason, do you know what I mean? But we're going to discuss that and discuss whether you even need to have this Forex education, do you know what I mean? And how much you should even pay for it for yourself if you want to pay for it, do you know what I mean? As well as that, I'm going to give you free access to the people that I personally trade with, 5, 6, 7 figure earners, and they're going to show you the two very simple patterns that we look for on the chart and why we crush it on the chart, because they're so accurate, do you know? And I'm going to give you access to that, to them, and to our trading course completely for free for a week. You can come and trade with us completely for free, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second. All right, so Forex education, Forex trading education. You know, most people, you've got two sides of the coin sort of thing. Some people are like, you don't need it, you don't need any of it. You can get it all for free. You can get it free on YouTube. You can get it free on things like Baby Pips. Let me show you Baby Pips here. Yeah, here. You get it free on things like this. You get loads and loads of education free on things like this. So why are you going to go and pay anybody a couple of $100 or even more some of the times, you know, for this? Now, maybe, well, for me, how I lost that money, it was the mindset that there's something out there. There's a secret out there, because you can't make your trading work. Because even with all of this, even with all the free stuff on YouTube, even with all the stuff on Baby Pips, with all the education that's out there, still 95% of people are unsuccessful as traders. So you naturally think, right, so if I pay someone, if I pay them for this secret, and if I pay a lot of money, they're going to give me the secret and show me how to trade the way I'm not doing it correctly now. Well, that was my mindset, and that is how a lot of other people's mindset works. So they go out there and they go and look for these courses. I mean, me personally, I started off with these people here called Learn to Trade. I paid, at that time then, I paid £3,000. This is where kind of my journey began. I paid £3,000, about $4,000. And that was then. I don't know how much they're charging now. They don't actually put the price on here. You've got to watch a webinar and they tell you. But I wouldn't be surprised. It's in the £3,000, £4,000, £5,000 region. And that's for a weekend. Yeah. And then they encourage you that, you know, it's this kind of scarcity thing. If you really want to really get this and get the true secret, then you should pay more. And then they've got another £20,000 course as well. Do you know what I mean? So, but really, this £3,000 course, I mean, I'm not putting the company down, but all it really taught me is what I could have learned on Baby Pips. Just simple support, resistance, trend lines, all this sort of stuff. Do you know what I mean? And again, I could have just learned that for free, really. Do you know what I mean? Because you can learn for free. There is no secret out there. Let me just put that out there. There's no secret. There's nothing that any of these courses are going to teach you that you couldn't potentially learn for yourself. But what a course does do, it just kind of puts things into a plan that you can follow, and it actually helps fast track, and you can get to talk to people that have already done it. You know, that's where I think Forex education really does help, because it's not, if you just go out there and try and do it yourself, there's just too much out there. You will learn the basics. You will learn the things that probably won't make you that successful. You'll win trades, you'll lose trades, but you won't, very, very unlikely you'll be successful. Because if it was that easy, most people would be doing it. And now when I look at courses now, I'm going to show you some of the courses that are out there. You know, so this is one of them I saw. This is called UC Trading. Again, it teaches you, like, gives you some stuff, prop trading, gives you 40 hours of video content, you know, one-to-one coaching, a little bit of one-to-one coaching, because I went through it. It's not like every single day. You get a little bit when you join. The price here, let's just whip through, is almost 15,000 euros. Do you know what I mean? Which is what? That's just over $2,000 for a course. You'll get a little bit of one-to-one. I read through it, a little bit of one-to-one, and then that's it. It's just like, these courses, a lot of them are just like, look, here's the information. This information does work. But there you go, you're on your own. Do you know what I mean? Another one. Let me look at another one here. This was another one, Thomas Crowlow. You know, I went through it, and the one that's the most similar to what we do is this one here called the Fast Track. And that was, look at the price of this one now. This is $6,000 per month for 4 months. Yeah, or you can pay almost $20,000 for the year. And a lot of people will go for these things because they think this must be the way because it's so expensive. They were selling this course for like $10. You'd be like, well, they're not really giving us the real secret. It's kind of that's if you've got the money, that's what the people think. They think, right, I'm going to pay for the most important knowledge. Some of these courses cost thousands just for the weekend, you know, and it's not really teaching you things that you can't learn by yourself. A lot of these courses are like, here's all this information. Here's 40, 50, 60 hours of video. Here's a Discord, you know, here's a Discord thing. Here's a not trading view. Here's a Telegram channel that we'll give you some of our trades with, and you can have 1 or 2 sessions with some of the leaders, and then that's it. You are on your own. So what's the difference then between learning from these people and actually just going out there and learning yourself? You know, it's not that there's a secret. There's a secret or anything out there. What is missing? This is what we say is missing. There's 4 pillars to being successful in trading. And this is what most of these courses don't teach. They teach you this trading edge bit. They teach you these strategies, you know, whatever it is, support resistance and trend line bounces, whatever it is. They might teach you a little bit about risk management and about getting a good trading plan. Those 2 pillars are what most of these courses that cost you thousands teach. But they very rarely go into the psychology of trading, and that is the most important thing. The most successful traders out there have worked out this part, what's between your ears. You know, because I could give you this strategy. I could teach you the strategy that we teach. Yeah, I could teach you. It's called the banker strategy. I could teach it to you tomorrow. But if your mindset's not right, you'll change the plan up. You'll trade out of FOMO, out of fear. You'll revenge trade. You won't have any patience to wait for the setups to set up because you haven't made money last week or whatever. And you will just fail with it if your mindset is not in the right place. And persistence. You know, when you go and you start seeing other people are being successful and you're not quite getting it yet. And the beginning part of trading, I don't care what course you use, the beginning part of trading, you are going to be losing trades because you don't not understand it yet. So when that bit's happening, it's very, very quick for you to just jump from wherever you are, and you think, right, this one's not working. Right, let me jump to this one. You know, and that's how you end up spending all this money and doing all these courses and not being successful. Persistence and mindset is very, very rarely taught in these courses. Very rarely. They just focus on whatever the trading plan is, let's just say it's a trend line bounce. They just focus on that. And if you don't get it right, then it's like, okay, no worries. You lost the trade. You'll get the next one and this sort of stuff, but very, very, very rarely taught the mindset bit. Do you know what I mean? So my opinion on these courses, do they work? Yes, they do work to fast track your trading, your Forex trading. They work better when you have a community, like a Discord community. They do work better when you have the leaders that you can talk to or ask questions with. Do you know what I mean? Get some support that way. And they work better when you focus on your mindset as well as the trading. Those pillars, if you put all those pillars together, that's when you get successful traders. Do you know what I mean? And that's why I found this group. I think I personally was very, very lucky to find these group of traders. I'm going to show you this. This is what I'm going to be offering you if you're interested in it, is these guys here. So they get on every single day from Monday to Friday, right? And then they have a Saturday mindset course, so where they work on the most important thing. And they get on here and they look at these 2 very simple patterns that I was talking to you about, as well as look at your mindset, as well as help you with the things that they're teaching you. We have an indicator that we use as well, and they get on and show you how they're using the indicator every single day. And you can ask questions as well of the leaders and of the other fellow traders. They also have a Discord channel. where people come here, they put their wins. You can talk, you can have group discussions down here. There's the groups down here. You also can, let me just scroll down. Yeah, there you go. So we got the chats. People, you can put your charts in when people critique it. You got the new indicator there that tells you how to use the indicator. You know, there's so much support here, as well as getting on with leaders. These are 5, 6, 7 figure earners. This person is multiple 6 figure earners. This the leader. And you get on and you get to ask these people questions every single day. That's the difference. And they keep working on the mindset because they know how important that is. That is the most important part of trading. What all these courses that I took, where I lost, well, I'm not going to say lost, where I paid over $30,000, never ever taught me was the mindset. Not till I came here. And that's what changed my trading around. It had nothing to do with the actual strategy. It's got nothing to do with the strategy. I could probably go back and trade that same strategy now that they taught me and trade it successfully. But the mindset wasn't right. And if you don't have that, then all these courses aren't going to be aren't going to be useful to you. And I don't care how much you pay, because there isn't no secret. This is a bit you got to get out of your mind. There's no secret. What you are going to pay for, you could probably find for free, but it doesn't matter if your mindset's not right. If you're not trading with a group that gives you support and helps you with your mindset, as well as the strategy and the trading plan and all those pillars we spoke about, then you can pay as much as you want. You're always going to be spinning around in circles. That's my personal opinion anyway. So I hope that helped. I do hope that some of that advice helped you. If you do want to come and trade with this group I'm showing you here for next week, completely for free. The training starts on Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT. Then all you got to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. Just scroll down below this video. You click on that, and then there'll be, once you've opted in, there'll be another video showing you exactly what you need to do to get onto the training for next week. And it starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, just come on, see if it's for you. Absolutely for free. Ask as many questions as you want and see if you like it. And then if you do want to stay on, the actual money that you're going to pay is way less than anything I just showed you there. In fact, it's less than $200 a month. I mean, the people that are on this, some of the people, when they give testimonials, which they give every day, they say they've been out in the dark for over 7 years with course after course after course. And now finally they found this and they've started to get profitable trades and see the way forward to become a profitable trader because of all the support you get, So anyway, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. So share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you are interested in coming and trading with us, I said I'll leave links below. If you've got any questions at all, please don't hesitate. Also leave it in the comments box below. All right. Once again, you have a great day. Thanks for everything, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.